Hello lovelies, you all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here today. We'll be making fruity popsicles. This is sugar-free, homemade, kids-friendly, only fruits, and it is so refreshing and healthy. We'll be using pineapple, watermelon, and mango. These three fruits are what we'll be using. Now they have been peeled. You can see after washing them, they are well peeled and diced and sliced, okay, just for easy blending. And that is watermelon. You've seen the mango and you've seen the pineapples. So now I'll first of all blend the pineapple. So guys, that is what we have. That is our pureed pineapple. Yeah, look at it, simple as ABC. Now I'm transferring the mango into the blender and do the same thing. You may add water for easy blending. It depends on the kind of mango you are using, okay? So blend it well. When it is well pureed, that is how it's going to look. Just transfer into a bowl and keep aside. Now I'm transferring the watermelon into the blender as well. So it has been blended, okay? So now it's another stage we'll be moving. So that's our mango, pineapple, and watermelon. Now that's my popsicles mold. And now I will be pouring the pureed fruits into the popsicles mold. That was mango, and now that is watermelon. You can start with watermelon, you can start with any of them, okay? It depends on how you want it to look after it came out. So now I'll be rounding it up with pureed pineapple. After that, I will now be inserting the popsicle sticks, okay? So after that, I keep this aside and I have the second set now. You only need to repeat the same process. You can see I'm starting with melon with this one. Just the same process, and then insert the sticks into it and freeze for at least 4 hours, okay? So after that, this is what we have. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. You may just dip it into water or you run some water on it just for easy removal. This is what you are going to have. It is kids friendly, it is healthy, refreshing, tasty, and you will love the natural sweetness you're going to have. This is sugar free. See you next time. Thank you for watching.